Hey my lovely loves! Today I'm finally going to do a get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I have a few new products from Colourpop that I want to try out, so I thought I would do kind of a first impression slash get ready with me video today. I'm sure you guys know what I'm going to be trying out by the title. I'm going to be trying their new no filter foundation. This just came out, I think maybe a month ago or less than a month ago, and I bought it I think the day it came out or the day after. So I'm going to be trying this for the first time today, and I'm also going to be trying their no filter setting powder, and I got this one in banana. So obviously I'm not wearing any makeup right now, that's why I have all the dark circles going on, some redness, and some obvious acne spots and scars. So I heard this has pretty good coverage, and I heard it's really good, so we shall see. Here's what the foundation looks like out of the box, and at first I was thinking that the cap got lost or somebody took it or they forgot to put it on there, but it actually comes like this with no cap, which is kind of like, what? I was confused at first. I thought there was going to be a cap on. It does twist to open and close, so just remember that when, I guess, when you're traveling or something. I got light 75 because they compared it to Maybelline's Fit Me 220, which is what I usually get from the drugstore, and I wear it all the time. I saw a post on Instagram and they were showing, basically comparing foundations, and they compared Colourpop's light 75 to Maybelline's Fit Me 220. So that's why I wanted to get light 75, but now that I looked at the bottle, it actually is light 70. It does look like maybe a shade too light for me. I'm willing to still try it out and see how it goes. I think if it's only a shade too light, I can still work with it, you know, by adding bronzer and stuff. I definitely prefer a foundation that's a shade lighter than a foundation that's like a couple shades darker. It's easier to kind of work with a lighter foundation than a darker one, if that makes sense. Well, like a shade lighter than you, or like a shade, you know what I'm saying. Face is already prepped. It's ready to go, so I'm just gonna open this up and I'm gonna apply it with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna start here. I'll do one side, yeah, but see, it looks a little too light for me. So I'm just gonna do one side first, and then I'll show you guys like a comparison of both sides. I know this looks a little bit crazy. Here's half of my face with the Colourpop foundation, and then here's the other half with nothing at all. Foundation. No foundation. It's maybe a shade too light for me. So, but like I said, it's still easy to work with. Just add some bronzer and everything, and it should look fine. Also, keep in mind my lighting is not the greatest, so hopefully the sun is still out when I'm done and I can show you guys what it looks like in natural light. But so far it has really great coverage. Like, that looks really good. So I'm gonna do the other half of my face, and then I'll be back. Here is foundation on fully, and I gotta say I'm really loving it. Looks really good, and this was only $12, and I really like it. It might be my new favorite go-to foundation now that I've tried it finally. I really love it. So this is what the foundation looks like by itself. Like I said, I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like in natural lighting. after I finish doing my makeup. Hopefully the sun doesn't go down before that, but I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I don't know about you guys, but I always do like my foundation first, then my eyeshadow, then I'll do like concealer in case I have like fallout, which I normally don't. And yeah, so I'm gonna continue getting ready, and then I'll show you guys the final look after. For my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I always thought the palette was called the Cute AF palette, but it's actually called the Yes Please palette. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys know this palette by now, but if not, it's one of my favorite palettes, especially for like summertime. So I'm just gonna use the brown shade down here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I'm rambling so much, but it's like I ramble when I don't know what to say, or like I'm just awkward overall. I'm a very awkward person. I think that's why I rarely do like chit chat get readies with me, because they're so long. I have to cut out so much because I ramble on, and I don't know, some of the stuff I say doesn't make sense, so then I end up like editing a lot of it out. And yeah, I'm just very strange. I'm very awkward, so thumbs up if you're awkward like me. Let's be friends. Next, I'm going to add this yellow right here on my crease. I was going to try to do a like full face using Colourpop Cosmetics, but I realized I'm missing like a lot of things to do a full face. That's pretty much going to be it for the eyeshadow part. Now I'm just going to move on to eyeliner, and then probably add some falsies. I'm going to be using these by Ardell. They're double up 207 lashes, and this is my first time using these as well. I always buy a bunch of things like makeup and lashes, and then I put them all away in my drawers and I forget about them, and I end up like forgetting I have them or never really using them, and that's really bad. Like I want to start actually using, you know, the things that I get and buy, including things that I get sent from PR. Like I want to use more stuff, you know. So much new stuff coming out all the time that you're just like, I want that, I want that, I want that, and then you don't even use it, you know, because it's so like pretty and you're drawn to it, and then people are talking about it, so you get curious, and it's just never ending. It's like a never ending cycle, especially like on social media, which social media is a whole different topic. Like if I start talking about my thoughts on that right now, this will be a really long video. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes before I apply the eyeliner. So now I'm gonna do a quick little wing. Hopefully it comes out even. And I'm gonna be using the NYC liquid eyeliner, which I don't know if they still sell this, but this was my go-to a long time ago from the drugstore, and it was only $2 or $3, but I haven't seen it anymore, so maybe they discontinued it. Now that I got my falsies on, I'm going to start highlighting with concealer, or concealing. I'm going to be using the Superstay Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline, or from Maybelline. This is like my favorite concealer. I always repurchase because I love it. I think it gives really good coverage. And that's it. That's the look. Just kidding. Now I'm going to set the concealer with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Banana. So again, this is the first time that I'm trying it. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna bake for like a minute or so. Pour some in this cap right here. Apply it with the sponge. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on for a minute. Obviously, this is the way I do my makeup. You can totally do it however you please. If you want to bake till after you're done or before or whatever. That's the good thing about makeup. You can always have fun with it, experiment different things, try different things, you know, whatever works for you, whatever makes you feel the best, you know. All this is baking. I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer on, contour a little bit with some bronzer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. This is one of my favorites. As you can see, it's like pretty much gone. For the setting powder works really well too. I'm loving both of them so far. I think the setting powder was $8 or $9. Now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm trying to look for my go-to brow thing. So normally I use the Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil, but I ran out and I haven't repurchased yet, so I'm going to use ¿Dónde estás? It was over there. I forgot I left it over there. I'm going to be using the Benefit Ka-Brow number 6. It for my brows. I don't really do much to them. I try to kind of follow the natural shape that I have. Like I said, the Ka-Brow number 6 is a little too dark for my taste. I usually go for like a brown, medium brown. Anyways, I'm going to do blush and highlight, and I'm going to use the blush and highlight duo from Colourpop. This one is called Clockwork, I think, and this is from their Butterfly collection. Here are the shades. I'm going to use this blush, and then I'm going to highlight with the highlight side. I really like the highlight. It's like a subtle peachy kind of highlight. I'm gonna add that yellow shade to my bottom lash line just to give it like some color, and then I'm gonna add mascara after. Last but not least, I'm going to be putting on the 951 Ultra Satin Lip liquid lipstick from the I Love Sarai Colourpop collection. So this is a really pretty mauve nude, or like a brownish nude color. I really love this one. I wear it all the time. It's one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. And that's it for my makeup look. This is my finished look today. It's pretty simple. As far as the foundation goes, I think it looks really good, and it's definitely medium to full coverage, so it really gives me good coverage. As you guys saw earlier when I did like the half no foundation and the half like foundation, it gave me pretty good coverage, so I'm excited about that. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in natural lighting. I'll probably go to my bathroom and show you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like in natural light, but I think it looks really good and I'm really digging it, so I think it's gonna be a thumbs up from me for sure. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to last on, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it on after this, because I'm planning on working out, so I don't know if I will leave it on. Maybe I should, just to see like if it's like sweat proof, which I don't know if it's supposed to be, but I don't know if I leave it on, then maybe I'll include a clip of after my workout and see how it held up. If not, then maybe I'll post like an update in another video or on my Instagram or something. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in natural light. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!